third
third,
stanza, we are
third
moving
stanza. Mhm.
to the nearby pond. I straight away run with fishing tackle, and of course, again the minutes passed and the hours dragged. It seemed no luck the day I had. So, as I told you from the beginning, that he said to his friends, "Fish fry tonight, our dinner will be," and no words came from his friends, and he was thinking, or the writer was thinking, there must be some smiles, or there must be some chuckles sure at my back. ମୋ ପଛରେ ସେ ସବୁ ସ୍ମାଇଲ୍ସ ଦେଉଥିବେ, ସେମାନେ ହସୁଥିବେ ମୋ ଉପରେ. But the writer believed in his words and he knew how to catch fishes, because I told you he was a seasoned angler and he was
Seasoned
very
English.
experienced in
Mhm.
catching fishes. So without uh, uh, without taking too much of time of his friends, he straight away ran to the nearby pond. ସେ ପାଖରେ ଥିବା
Pond.
ତାଙ୍କର ପୋଖରୀ ପାଖକୁ ସେ ଦୌଡ଼ିବାକୁ ଗଲେ. And with fishing tackle, the meaning of fishing tackle means all the equipments which are used in his
Fish.
work. ବୁଝିହେଲା କି ନାଇଁ? ଫିସିଂ
Okay.
ଟାଇମ୍ରେ ଯେଉଁ ଯେଉଁ ଜିନିଷ ଦରକାର ଥାଏ ତାକୁ କୁହାଯାଏ
Mhm.
fishing tackles, with
Fishing tackle.
which contains all his equipments which help him to catch fishes. ବୁଝିହେଲା? ମାଛ ଧରିବା ପାଇଁ ଯେଉଁ
Yes.
ଜିନିଷ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରେ ତାହା ହେଉଛି fishing tackles. Just ଆମେ କହିଲେ, which is mentioned there in the very first stanza, fishing rod, line, bait, those are the equipments of catching fishes. And
Catching fishes.
yes, and of course again the minutes passed and the hours dragged. That means the day was going to be completed, or the day was going to be finished. बुझिला कि नहीं? And the evening was
Mhm.
about to come,
Come.
and the minutes passed and the hours dragged. That means घंटा मिनिट पर मिनिट घंटा पर घंटा बीती जाऊँगी. It seemed no luck that day I had. The writer had no luck and he was very unfortunate that he didn't catch a single fish on that particular day. बुझिला? He was very
Yes.
unlucky and it seemed no luck that day I had. It felt, or it indicated in this stanza, in the third stanza, the writer had no luck. Writerଙ୍କର ଭାଗ୍ୟରେ ନାହିଁ ବୋଧେ ମାଛ. But very confidently he said to his friends, "Let me come back. I will come with some pieces and then we will complete our dinner with fish fry," which was going to be quite impossible. ଯେଉଁଟା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଅସମ୍ଭବ ହେବା ପାଇଁ ଲାଗୁଥିଲା, because the day was going to be finished and the day was about to complete, but the person was not able to catch a single fish. And that is why it is said here that they had, or the writer had no luck on that day. ସେଦିନ ତାଙ୍କର ଭାଗ୍ୟ ଭଲ ନଥିଲା and he felt very unfortunate because he had no fishes on that day. ସେଦିନ ସେ ମାଛ ଧରି ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି. He was
Mhm.
attempting and slowly minutes passed and the hours dragged. The person, or the writer, was not able to catch a single fish on that day, and that is why it is said here he was very unfortunate and he had no luck on that day. ସେଦିନ ତାଙ୍କର ଭାଗ୍ୟ ନଥିଲା ଆଉ ସେ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମାଛ ପାଇପାରିନାହାନ୍ତି. The work is not completed here. ମୁଁ ତମକୁ କହୁଛି ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ମାଛ ଧରିବା ସରିନାହିଁ. Just it is said here that the day was going to be completed, ମାନେ ଦିନ ସରିବା ପାଇଁ ଯାଉଛି. Minutes passed and hours dragged. ମିନିଟ୍ ପରେ ମିନିଟ୍, ଘଣ୍ଟା ପରେ ଘଣ୍ଟା ବିତି ଯାଉଛି, but the person was not able to catch a single fish. ବୁଝିଗଲା? ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟିଆ କି ଗୋଟେ
Mhm.
ସାଧାରଣ ମାଛ ବି ଗୋଟେ ଧରିବାରେ ସକ୍ଷମ ହେଇପାରିନାହାନ୍ତି. We are moving to the fourth stanza. I thought fishless I would return home and would face the jeers of some. I threw my line with a fervent wish. Oh God, today please give me a fish. And he lost all his hopes. Okay, lost
The writer.
the writer lost all his hopes. I told you he was very confident, he was very dedicated in his work, but on that particular day he had no luck and he was very unfortunate. ବୁଝିହେଲା? And now he was talking
Hundred.
to himself. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ନିଜେ ନିଜେ କଥା ହେଉଛନ୍ତି. And what he thought himself, I thought fishless I would return, and he thought that he would come to the house without a single fish, without a fish. ବୁଝିହେଲା? ବିନା କୌଣସି ମାଛରେ ମୋତେ ବୋଧହୁଏ
Yes.
ଘରକୁ ବାହୁଡ଼ିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିପାରେ. And I might face the jeers of some ବୋଲି କହିଲେ କ'ଣ, ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କର ଥଟ୍ଟା ମଜା ଆଉ ମାନେ ରିଉଡ୍ ମନ୍ତବ୍ୟ ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ପାଇପାରେ ଯଦି, if by come without fish, ଯଦି ମୁଁ ବିନା ମାଛରେ ଯଦି
Bina.
ଫେରେ, ହଁ,
Mhm.
my friends will speak a lot of words to me and I cannot take those burden. So that is why there was something, or some thoughts in the mind of the writer, how would he get a fish, କେମିତି ସେ ମାଛ ପାଇପାରିବେ ସେଇ ବିଷୟରେ ସେ ଚିନ୍ତା କରୁଛନ୍ତି. And I told you he lost all his hopes and would face the jeers of some. I threw my line with a fervent wish. ବୁଝିହେଲା? And he
Mhm.
threw his लाइन तांकर से जो लाइन टी जो तांकर इक्विपमेंट ही थ्रू इट बुझिला कि नहीं ताकू से फोपाड़ी देले विथ अ fervent wish that means just we can say fervent wish will कहले कौन that he was very excited and he was too quick and he was able to catch fish sorry he was too quick to catch fish केमती व्यग्र होउचंती that is fervent wish माने अति व्यग्र होई पड़िबा that is fervent wish हला oh God today please give me a fish now he prayed to now he was praying to God please God give me a fish and why he prayed to God भगवान कौन पे प्रार्थना कले because he had no luck on that day and he was very unfortunate बुझिला and something he thought about his friends तांको सांगा मानकर कथा से चिंता कले कौन चिंता कले जे if I come without fishes then they will definitely speak about me and my job and they will and I will have to face some of the rude remarks of my friends and I cannot take that burden बुझेला कि नहीं so that is why in the end he prayed to God please God give me a fish because he was unfortunate on that day and he had no luck on that day बुझेला and in the fifth stanza and lo the flood sank rose again and after praying to God something that means something it was seen on the surface of the water and we can say in one word it was a fish but it was not yet introduced it was not yet it was just on the surface of the water and the writer noticed it माने राइटर एटा जिनस को देखिले बट कौन से जानी पारनांती एंड लो द फ्लोट सैंक रोज अगेन ए कौन करुच्ची भासुची पुणी बुड़ी जाउची पुणी ऊपर को उठुची एंड पॉप इट्स हेड टू टेल मी देन पॉप पॉप बोली कहले कौन पी ओ पी पी लेख पी ओ पी पी तुम लिखिल फर्वेंट विश विषय लिखिल पी ओ पी हाँ फर्वेंट विश मान लिखिल तो व्यग्र होगा अति एक्साइटेड हो पड़वा उत्साहित हो पड़वा जल्दी क्विक रे रहिबा बुझे लगे ना दैट इज another word which we have which it is written here which is written here pop p o p p रो past tense होची popped pop मान होची कोन आकस्मिक जो तीव्र शब्द करवा बुझे लगे शब्द करवा साउंड हाँ so the writer was going to catch a fish after that बुझेला when he prayed to God there was a small attempt and it was a small hope of the writer and it was rising on the surface of the water बुझेला ए ऊपर को उठुची and it was floating on the surface of water बुझेला पानी ऊपर भासुची पुणी भितर पुरी जाउची पुणी मुंड हलौची पुणी कोन करूची गोटे साउंड करूची so and popped its head to tell me then this is just time you meant to catch a fish if you can so finally he noticed that there was a fish on the surface of the water it was rising it was sinking and it was floating बुझेला and it was creating a sound there on the surface of the water and it seemed that that was saying to the writer yeah, it is the time just men to catch a fish if you can बुझेला एटी एटी होची गोटे माछो आउ तमे धरो तम पई it is a wonderful opportunity and you should grab it बुझेला हाँ this is just the time yes it is the perfect time and you will have to catch the fish and you cannot go to home without fish तमे घर को जाई परिबो नै बिना माछरे so you will have you are bound to catch a fish the writer was bound to catch a fish and finally after praying to God he was going to get the fish from the pond बुझेला कि नहीं without delay I pulled the string we are going to discuss the sixth stanza without delay I pulled the string and what a catch did it bring a 1-foot fish bright and fair that wriggled and wriggled in the air बुझेला so here wriggle the meaning of wriggle होची छटपट हेबा बुझेला and the past tense of wriggle is wriggled छटपट होथिला बुझेला कि नहीं so delay मान जानिछ तो D E L A Y हाँ विलंब without delay just I told you the writer prayed to God to catch a fish because on that day he had no luck and he was very unfortunate and as I told you minutes spots and hours dragged the person was unlucky on that day and he didn't catch a fish and finally he prayed to God and after praying to God there was a fish on the surface of the water which was sinking and floating on the surface of the water and then the writer felt something and what he felt this is the perfect time you meant to catch a fish if you can eta hochi perfect time तुम माछ धरिबा पई that is what the writer felt बुझियला so
हाँ sir.
in the next stanza, without delay I pulled the string କହିଲେ ଡୋର ବୁଝିହେଲା କି ନାଇଁ ଯୋଉ ତାଙ୍କର equipments, without delay I pulled the string and what a catch did it bring, finally he got that fish ବୁଝିହେଲା. The structure of the
Okay.
fish is mentioned here, 1 foot fish, bright and fair, that wriggled and wriggled in the air ବୁଝିହେଲା. It was 1 foot fish, it was looking brighter and it was fair ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାଇଁ, ଧଳା ଧଳା ଦେଖା ଯାଉଥିଲା, ଅତି ଉଜ୍ଜଳ କରୁଥିଲା, ଚକଚକ କରୁଥିଲା. It was the perfect fish and it would suit for the two nights dinner, and that is why he got that fish. And how he was able to catch fish? After praying to God. And just I told you that the writer was very confident in his work and in his words, but on that day he was unlucky. But after praying to God, he was going to get a fish from the pond, and it was 1 foot, bright and fair. But what was happening at that time when he got that fish? That was that wriggled and wriggled in the air, ସେ ପାଣିରେ ମାନେ ବାୟୁରେ ବା ସେଇ ଆକାଶ ମାନେ ତାର ହଁ ତାର ଇଏରେ କ'ଣ ହଉଥିଲା, ଛଟପଟ ହଉଥିଲା ବୁଝିହେଲା. ହଁ, finally we came to know that the writer was able to get the fish from the pond, ପାଣିରୁ ମାଛଟି ପାଇ ପାରିଲେ. At this my joy knew no bound. I ran excited round and round, but with a gasping mouth and wistful look, it seemed to say, please unhook me, let me go again to my home, my watery den. So, and the person or the writer was finally succeeded in his work, and we know that he was in excitement. He was in kind of excitement, ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାର ଉତ୍ସାହିତରେ ଥିଲେ, and it had no limit, ଆର ସୀମା ନଥିଲା ବୁଝିହେଲା. And his joy knew no bound, and that is why he started running round and round in excitement ବୁଝିହେଲା. ଉତ୍ସାହିତ ହୋଇକି ସେ କ'ଣ କଲେ, ଚାରିଆଡ଼େ ଘୁରି ବୁଲିବାକୁ ଲାଗିଲେ. That means in this way the writer was celebrating his achievements ବୁଝିହେଲା. ତାଙ୍କର କୃତିତ୍ୱର ଯେଉଁ ସଫଳତା ଲାଭ କଲେ ଏଭଳି ଭାବରେ ସେ ସେଲିବ୍ରେଟ୍ କରୁଥିଲେ ବୁଝିହେଲା. But with and few moments he celebrated ବୁଝିହେଲା. Few moments he celebrated his success and his achievement, but something it happened, something it came into the mind of the writer. And what was that? We can
The
write some
person you are speaking with has put your call on hold. Please stay on the
ହଁ gasping ଗୋଟେ ଲେଖ, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଉଛି wistful. gasping ଲେଖିଲ?
हाँ लिखुଛି
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା କ'ଣ, wistful. ହଁ WISTFUL. ହଁ gasping ମାନେ ଲେଖିଲ, wistful ମାନେ ଲେଖିଲ କି? wistful ମାନେ ଇଚ୍ଛା, wish ଯୋଉଟା କହୁଛୁ ଆମେ ହେଲା. ଆଉ gasping ଜାଣିଲ, ଲେଖିଲ?
नहीं गैसिंग मन जानी है.
ହଁ ମାନେ just we can say that quite difficult task to breathe ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାହିଁ, ଅଣନିଶ୍ୱାସୀ ହେବା, ନିଶ୍ୱାସ ନେବାରେ ଅସକ୍ଷମ ନ ହେବା, that is gasping ହେଲା. So as we are discussing the next stanza, at this my joy knew bound, that means finally the writer got a fish, and in this joy he was running round and round in excitement that he got a fish finally in the end of the day. It was too difficult task, but it was going to be evening, or it was about to be the evening, and he got a fish in the end of the day ବୁଝିଲା. But before that he felt himself that he was very unlucky and he was very unfortunate, but after praying to God he got a fish. But something it came into the mind of the writer, and what was that? But with a gasping mouth and wistful look, it seemed to say, please unhook me and let me go again to my home, my watery den. That means the writer felt the pain of that fish which was recently caught by the writer himself ବୁଝିହେଲା. ବୁଝିହେଲା ଏଠି କ'ଣ କହିଲି? ହଁ, the writer felt the pain of the fish ବୁଝିହେଲା କି ନାଇଁ, which was recently caught by the writer ବୁଝିହେଲା. ରାଇଟରଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଏଇ ଏବେ କ୍ଷଣିକ ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତ ତଳେ ଧରା ଯାଇଥିବା ସେ ମାଛଟି କ'ଣ କରୁଥିଲା? It was that fish was feeling pained, ଯନ୍ତ୍ରଣାରେ
The
ଛଟପଟ
person
ହଉଥିଲା
you are speaking with.
ବୁଝିହେଲା. But with a gasping mouth and wistful look, it seemed to say, please unhook me and let me go again. And the writer was also able to understand the words and the feelings and the emotions of the fish, and it was, or that fish was trying to speak something to the writer had failed ସେଟା ସେ ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଥିଲେ, and what was that? Please unhook me, ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୋତେ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦିଅ, let me go to my watery den, let me go again, please let me go to my watery den, ମୋର ପାଣିର ପରିବେଶକୁ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦିଅ ଆଜ୍ଞା, it was too difficult task on the part of me to stay without my water. I cannot stay in other environment, actually it didn't suit me, and please let me go to my watery den, ମୋର ଘରକୁ ମୋର ପରିବେଶକୁ ମୋତେ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦିଅ ଆଜ୍ଞା, ମୁଁ ବଞ୍ଚି ପାରିବି ନାହିଁ ବୋଲିକରି, that is what the fish was trying to speak to the, or that the fish was trying to speak some words to the writer, and the writer had felt that, ବୁଝିଲା, writer feel କରୁଛନ୍ତି the pain of the fish, ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାହିଁ, ହଁ, and I did think of my 3 hours labor. Actually, it was too difficult task to get a fish on that day. Finally, he got a fish after praying to God. And when he felt like this about the fish, ମାଛ ବିଷୟରେ ସେ ଯେତେବେଳେ କଥା ଭାବିଲେ, in the next stanza it is mentioned, I did think of my 3 hours labor, and he felt, or he also expressed that the labor, or that the labor he has performed for 3 hours, which is unexpressed, ବୁଝିଗଲା କି ନାହିଁ, it was too difficult task to explain in words the labor which he has done for 3 hours, ଯେଉଁ 3 ଘଣ୍ଟା ଧରି ସେ ଯେଉଁ ପରିଶ୍ରମ କରିଛନ୍ତି, ଏହାକୁ ସେ ମାନେ ଆକୁ ନଜରଅନ୍ଦାଜ କରିବାଟା ବହୁତ କଷ୍ଟକର ଥିଲା, and that is why, and another thing, it was in the mind of the writer, the spicy fish fry flavor, ମାଛ ଫ୍ରାଏର ସେ ଫ୍ଲେଭର କଥା ବି ତାଙ୍କ ମାଇଣ୍ଡରେ ଅଛି, ଯେମିତି you always think about biryani, chicken leg piece and other things, something like that, ବୁଝିଗଲା କି ନାହିଁ, ହଁ, and the spicy fish fry flavor, back home some mocking face would stare, for nothing however I did care, ଦେଖ, we know that there are two sides of a coin, ଗୋଟେ coinର ଦୁଇଟି ପାର୍ଶ୍ୱ ଥାଏ, ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଶ୍ୱ ଭଲ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଶ୍ୱ ଖରାପ, so here if he gets fish, there are also two things in the mind of the writer, if he gets fish, then tonight's dinner will be fish fry, ବୁଝିଗଲା, and if he is not able to catch fish, then he will have to face all the jeers of his friends, it was too difficult task to take the burden, ବୁଝିଗଲା କି ନାହିଁ, on the part of the writer, but still he had to do something, ବୁଝିଗଲା କି ନାହିଁ, he had to catch fish, or he had to leave the fish, ବୁଝିଗଲା, ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ମାଛ ଧରିବାର ଥିଲା or ମାଛକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିବାର ଥିଲା, but after doing 3 hours of labor he got a fish finally, but now something it was in the mind of the writer, and what was that, he was able to feel the pain of the fish, and that is why he felt himself he was going to leave the fish in its watery den, ତାର ପାଣିର ପରିବେଶରେ ତାକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଚିନ୍ତା କରୁଛନ୍ତି, but another thing was also coming into the mind of the writer, and what was that, some mocking faces of his friends, ଯେଉଁ ସ୍ମିତ ହସ ଦଉଥିବା ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଯେଉଁ ଗମାତ କରୁଥିବା, ତାଙ୍କୁ ମାନେ ହେୟ ଜ୍ଞାନ କରୁଥିବା ତାଙ୍କ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସ୍ଙ୍କ କଥା ବି ତାଙ୍କ ମାଇଣ୍ଡକୁ ଆସୁଛି, so what he should do at that time, ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାହିଁ, ଏଇ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟରେ ସେ କ'ଣ କରିବେ, ସେଇ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟରେ ସେ କ'ଣ କରିବେ, ସେ କଥା ସେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଚିନ୍ତା କରିବାର ଉଚିତ ଥିଲା, but something was going to be done by the writer, ବୁଝିଗଲା, because he also felt the pain of that animal, ସେ ପଶୁର ପେନ୍ଟି ସେ ବୁଝିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି, ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାହିଁ, I did think of my 3 hours labor and the spicy fish fry flavor, back home some making face would stare, for nothing however I did care, but he finally decided what to do in the next, after praying to God, after doing 3 hours of labor, he got a fish, but now something it was in the mind of the writer, and what was that, he was going to leave the fish into its watery den, and he was getting ready to face the mocking or jeers of his friends, ବୁଝିଗଲା, ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କର ସେଇ କଟୁ ମନ୍ତବ୍ୟ ଶୁଣିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ଅଛନ୍ତି, and he didn't care anyone, he forgot fish fry tonight's dinner, and he also forgot about his friends' remarks, and all the things he forgot, only thing it was set in the mind of the writer, that however he had to leave the fish into the water, ଯେକୌଣସି ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତରେ ହେଉ ଯେମିତି ବି ହେଉ ସେ ମାଛକୁ ସେ ଭିତରେ ଛାଡ଼ିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ଚିନ୍ତା କରୁଥିଲେ, ବୁଝିହେଲା, and what he forgot the fish fry, ମାଛ ଫ୍ଲେଭର କଥା ଭୁଲିଗଲେ, ମାଛ ଆଇଟମ୍ କଥା ଭୁଲିଗଲେ, he also forgot the smiles of his friends, he also forgot the rude remarks of his friends, ବୁଝିହେଲା କି ନାହିଁ, only thing it was there in the mind, I will go to the house without a fish, ବିନା କୌଣସି ମାଛରେ ମୁଁ ଘରକୁ ଯିବି, and the fish which I have got earlier, that I will leave it into the water. ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ପାଣି ଭିତରେ ଛାଡ଼ିବି and directly I will go to my house and whatever, however I will face my friends. ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାଇଁ? ମୁଁ ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନଙ୍କୁ ଫେସ୍ କରିବି, ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାଇଁ? and the writer didn't care about anyone. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେ ଆଉ କାହାକୁ କେୟାର କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି. At the sun was sinking behind the hill, a strange feeling my heart did feel, and now he was about to leave the place and he was going to his house and he was coming back to his house right now. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେ କ'ଣ କରୁଥିଲେ? ତାଙ୍କ ଘରକୁ ଫେରିବାକୁ ଯାଉଥିଲେ. and at that time କେତେବେଳେ? at the sun was sinking behind the hill, ଯେତେବେଳେ it was going to be evening and the day was finished and the evening was about to start and there was darkness in the earth. ବୁଝିଲା? ପୃଥିବୀ ପୃଷ୍ଠରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ସମୟ ପହଞ୍ଚି ଯାଇଛି and the sun was sinking behind the hill. ମାନେ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟଟି କ'ଣ କହୁଛି? ବୁଡ଼ି ବୁଡ଼ି ଯାଉଛି ଆସ୍ତେ ଆସ୍ତେ. during the time of sunset we can say. ବୁଝିଲା? a strange feeling my heart did feel and something it was filled in his mind and it was a strange feeling, ଅପରିଚିତ, unknown feelings, unknown emotions. ବୁଝିଲା? କିଛି ଚିନ୍ତା, କିଛି ଇମୋସନ୍ସ, ତାଙ୍କର ଅପରିଚିତ ଜିନିଷ ସବୁ ତାଙ୍କ ମାଇଣ୍ଡରେ ଫିଲ୍ ହେଉଛି. in the evening's crimson glow. ବୁଝିଲା କି ନାଇଁ? the color, the scenario, the beautiful, the attractive location that he was feeling. ଗୋଟେ ସେ ଚିନ୍ତା କରୁଛନ୍ତି କୋଉଟା? and he was the scenario during the time of sunset. we know it comes when the sun was sinking. at that time ଯେତେବେଳେ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଅସ୍ତ ହେଉଥିଲା ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାର ଗ୍ଲୋ ଦେଖାଯାଏ ନା ନାଇଁ? କ୍ରିମସନ୍ ଗ୍ଲୋ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାର କଲର ଆସେନି? it reflects and kind of scenario he was enjoying at that time when he was about to come to his house. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଘରକୁ ଆସିକି ପହଞ୍ଚୁଥିଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ କ'ଣ ହେଉଥିଲା? the sun was sinking behind the hill and he forgot his friends, he forgot the tonight's dinner, he forgot the fish fry, everything he forgot. only thing it was set in the mind and what was that? the beautiful scenario during the time of sunset. that means when the sun was sinking behind the hill. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟଟି ଗଡ଼ି ଗଡ଼ି ଯାଉଥିଲା ବା ବୁଡ଼ି ବୁଡ଼ି ଯାଉଥିଲା ସେ ଟାଇମ୍ରେ ତାଙ୍କର ମାଇଣ୍ଡରେ କିଛି ଜିନିଷ ଆସୁଥିଲା ଆଉ ସେଗୁଡ଼ା ଥିଲା କ'ଣ? the beautiful scenario of that time. ବୁଝିଗଲା? and that was something it was being reflected after the sunset. ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟାସ୍ତ ପରେ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାର ଗ୍ଲୋ ଆସୁଥିଲା, ସେଟାକୁ ସେ ଏନ୍ଜୟ କରୁଥିଲେ. with greater joy I let it go. then he forgot all those things and he came back to his house without a fish. ବୁଝିଗଲା? ହଁ, ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏତିକି ହେଉଛି ଷ୍ଟୋରି. so in this way the topic is ended here. ବୁଝିଗଲା? ଆଉ କ'ଣ କହିବି ଏ ବିଷୟରେ? ହେଲା ତ? ରହିଲି। କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ କରିବ।
ହଁ ସାର୍।